Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tiger Ye.
This is Aikia Chen, Product Manager of Advantech Industrial IoT Group. Tiger, everyone talks about IoT opportunities in smart city. What is your opinion on this?
Indeed, let me share one market report from IDC to you. This report shows that the market share of IoT devices and systems is 4 times bigger than PC, mobile phone, and consumer electronics, especially in intelligent cities, transportation, logistics, and video surveillance applications. Moreover, the current market is a tip of an iceberg, and it just has started rolling.
To enter into the industrial IoT era, the various data sources are important for big data collection in a smart city. Tiger, would you please tell us more about what Advantech has to offer?
First of all, data plays a leading role in realizing digital transformation in diverse IoT applications. Therefore, the first step is to collect the required data and transmit it to corresponding services easily and efficiently. Thus, the wide range of I/O selection with rich IT, OT protocols and wired and wireless options are essential to serve various data sources. For Advantech, we offer Aiden and Wise I/O series to satisfy data collection needs.
When talking about smart cities, the point is that we put data and the digital technology to work with the goal of improving the quality of life. Let us imagine countless sensors around us for big data collection, which creates an endless stream of information, data that makes our life more productive and convenient. How to collect data, send data, and deploy the hardware devices in the field is what we need to know at the very beginning for smart city planning. That's why sensors and communication devices are very important here.
When you say that Advantech provides user a very complete data line to fit each scenario, can you please show our partners what exactly we can offer?
Certainly, as I mentioned at the beginning, there are several elements for our partners to build up the smart city network. Being a leader of the industrial hardware solution, we provide not only communication devices with multiple I/O interface, but also sensors with legacy protocol integration. Advantech is going to eliminate obstacle to OT-IT convergence for our partners. Moreover, not only do we offer Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or LTE devices, Advantech also invests in LP1 technology to speed up the evolution of smart cities with a comprehensive solution. To quickly move into the industrial IoT era, the concept of the LP1 is to support wide coverage long-distance transmission and high penetration with low power consumption compared with traditional communication interfaces.
I heard that LP1 is the wireless interface. How can we learn more about this technology?
Now let us start from LoRaWAN. Here is the system architecture of LoRaWAN. You can see sensors, I/O modules, and gateways. Advantech provides a one-stop shop solution without worrying about the integration of the whole system. Not only wireless data collection, the features of LoRaWAN are also frequency hopping, data reconfirmation, wide coverage, long distance, high penetration, low power consumption, and the flexibility of deployment. In addition to the WISE 24 and 10 LoRaWAN vibration sensor, Advantech provides WISE 46 and 10 an interchangeable I/O module to easily pair with sensors for quick wireless data transmission. But one product cannot fit all scenarios. The interchangeable I/O module provides users with a very flexible way to pair with any kind of sensors with DI, AI, DO, or RS485 and RS232 interfaces. Furthermore, there is a built-in circuit for solar panel rechargeable batteries for independent wireless data collection for indoor or outdoor scenarios.
Thank you, IKEA. Now we get a better understanding of the Advantech LoRaWAN technology. We found out that people usually compare LoRaWAN with NB-IoT. Would you further share with us more about NB-IoT and their differences in between?
NB-IoT is relatively easy. The NB-IoT I/O module is just like your mobile phone, but without a screen. Users only need to insert a SIM card without worrying about network coverage, as long as there is NB-IoT network provided by telecom operators. Likewise, Advantech provides an interchangeable I/O module with rechargeable battery solution for independent usage scenarios. I prefer to separate the two wireless technologies into two different scenarios. LoRaWAN is fit for fixed areas such as water plants, factories, and shopping malls, while NB-IoT is better for nomadic applications such as metering, street lighting, or air quality monitoring. Tiger, apart from LPWAN technologies, there are still a lot of legacy devices and I/O in the market. How can we seamlessly integrate them into wireless network?
First of all, you may still prefer to use legacy I/O, such as RS485 or Ethernet remote I/O for data collection in some locations. Advantech's well-known ADAM 4000-6000 series will serve you well. Also, ADAM-IO series supports MQTT, RESTful API, and even Azure Ready for IT and cloud service integration. Meanwhile, Advantech offers 4G, even 5G cellular router to enable legacy RS485 Ethernet devices to connect to the cloud over cellular networks. In addition, the routers provide edge gateway functions with programmable capability for edge intelligence requirements.
Let's also talk about something new, OPC UA. OPC UA now is getting popular in the market. IPCs and the controllers with open source code to support this new protocol. How about I/O side?
OPC is mainly defined to fulfill data exchange between controllers and the SCADA systems, but it's not scalable, secure, and flexible for both IT and OT users in the IoT era. Therefore, the OPC UA standard has been created for this purpose as a unified information protocol for both IT and OT systems. Advantech released the first OPC UA embedded I/O solution, ADAM 6300 series, onto the market. Equipped with hardware-based security for data encryption, now OPC UA ADAM-IO enables data direct flows from the field into IT and OT services in both public and private clouds in a secured way. IKEA, we have built up an understanding of data collection for smart cities. Next, would you share your application cases and usage scenarios with Advantech ADAM-wise solution?
Yes, utility data collections and monitorings are the primary usage scenarios in a smart city. Imagine that you don't need human resources for one-by-one data checking and recording. You can just sit in front of the table of the computer or wait for the handset device notification. This is the benefit of smart city data acquisition. Smart infrastructure and construction are also common applications when talking about the smart city. With the solar panel rechargeable devices, the application can be more independent to fulfill remote management and also big data collection roles.
IoT technology can be used in agriculture. It collects data from the earth, environment, and water so that farmers can produce high quality and healthier food with lower labor costs. Finally, key asset monitoring, such as factory utilities, is also an important IoT application. It increases productivity, saves energy, and reduces pollution. I would like to emphasize that the green factory is one of the key objectives to be considered in the smart city vision. IKEA, I believe this talk will give our partners more ideas on the role of data collection and Advantech solutions for smart city opportunities. Please feel free to take a look at our landing page for more information and contact us for any inquiries.
Thank you for watching and having a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.